Hello everyone. So we have taken this geometry question from one of the American maths exam called AMC. So let's see how we can solve this question. We are given a square ABCD. Okay, this is a square with side 3 units. Okay, CM and CN divides the square's area into 3 equal parts. That means this and this are of equal area. We need to find the length of CM. Okay, great. So first of all, let's talk about area of square ABCD. Yes, this is quite easy. What is the area of square ABCD? That will be 3 times 3, which will give us 9 square units. Correct. So this is the area of square ABCD. But this is divided into 3 equal parts. If this is divided into 3 equal parts, yes, by the line segment CM and CN, the area of this part will be 3, 3 and 3. Yes, because it is said in the question itself that CM and CN divide the square's area into 3 equal parts. That means we can divide this 9 area into 3 equal parts, which will give us 3 each. So 3 unit square, 3 unit square and 3 unit square. Correct. We need to find the length of CM. Okay, great. Now we will be looking at this right triangle MBC. This is a right triangle. Why this is a right triangle? Because this angle is right angle. And why this angle is a right angle? Because this angle is of a square. Correct. So let's move to right triangle MBC. What will be the area? Area is 3 unit square. We have found out. And what is the formula? Formula is half times base times height for the triangle area. Correct. So we can use this half times base. Base I'm taking it as MB. Okay. And height we know it is BC. Correct. So if we solve this, what we will get? We will get 6 equals to MB times 3. BC is 3. So that means MB will turn out to be 2. But this is not a final answer. This is not a final answer. Just write this down in the figure. MB equals to, okay, this is 2, this is 3. Now what is the next step to find CM? Let's see. So in the next step, we will apply Pythagoras theorem. Apply Pythagoras theorem in which triangle? In the same triangle. Yes, in the same triangle, right triangle MBC, we will apply Pythagoras theorem. It will give us MB square plus BC square equals to MC square. MB is 2 square, BC is 3 square equals to MC square. Correct. So MC will turn out to be, okay, let's do it here. This is 4 plus 9, that will give us 13 equals to MC square. That means MC will turn out to be root 13. MC will turn out to be root 13. You call it as MC or CM, it doesn't matter much. Okay. So this is our final answer. The length of CM, this question mark is root 13. Yes, this is root 13. I hope you understood the solution well and you liked the video as well. Yes. If yes, please share it with your friends, subscribe the channel and like the video. Thank you.